prose difference between Jessica and mine is Jessica's poetry is contained in her sentences. Jessica writes the most compressed poetic sentences that I know of in the English language. There may be someone else, but I doubt it. That's better than she is. My poetry, or my prose rather, my prose line, my prose sentence structure, because I achieved such a high degree of poetic poesy within the lines and the images of my poetry, I wanted to do something different. So I consciously, as you said, from Tumbleweeds to Vincetti Brothers and later books as you read them on, I've 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 gone to finding poesy rather than poetry, but poesy in prose in more prosaic forms. So I've tried to heighten sometimes the poetry by heightening the prosaic nature of the writing. Now, I can only do that to a certain degree because I'm a great writer. So there's going to be little poetic techniques that sneak in one way or the other. But it's the degree to which I fool the reader into thinking something is prosaic and then putting those prosaic things together that get the poesy. So it's a constant magician's act. It's a juggling act that as you progress as a writer or as an artist, you don't want to just be juggling the same balls all the time.